5 minutes of listening.
Long time no see, Anna. You look so beautiful these days.
Oh, really? Thank you. You're so pretty, too.
How's it going? Is everything good?
Yes, it's quite good. My parents said that they miss you so much.
I miss them too. It has been a long time since I studied abroad. This time I'll be here to work.
Really? Won't you come back to Los Angeles to work?
Yes, I want to settle down here, Chicago.
Wow, I think it's good for you. Your family is still here. You should live near them to take care of them.
That is exactly what I think.
So, what is your job?
I think I'll start work in the marketing field. Well, I have had a degree when I studied abroad and also have experience.
That helps you a lot.
I don't think it's hard to find a job here to earn the living.
Right, don't worry. There are a lot of opportunities for you to find a well-paid job here.
I hope so. How about you? Are you still working as a teacher in high school?
Yes, I've had this job since I graduated from university.
Is it good? Are there any difficulties?
Actually, I find it interesting. I have a sense of happiness when I see my students learn hard.
Good. How about the working atmosphere?
Very good, to be honest. My colleagues help me a lot. I can learn a lot of things from them.
I'm so happy to hear that.
Hello, are you Anna?
Yes, I'm Anna.
Hi, nice to meet you. I'm John. I'm the person referred to meet you.
Ah, yes, hi, John. Nice to meet you.
You look even more beautiful than in the photo.
Oh, thank you so much.
What kind of drink would you like?
I'd like orange juice.
Okay.
I've heard that you're working in the tourism field. Can I ask which company you're working for?
Yes, I'm currently working as a manager at K-Travel, and my major is travel services.
That's really amazing. I'm a big fan of traveling.
That's great. I can give you some ideas.
Thanks. And how about the time? How much time do you spend on your work?
Well, it depends on the number of customers.
Really?
The features of this profession depend on the period of time that the tourists travel. The holidays will be extremely busy.
Okay, I see. And I'm a teacher at high school. My school's in the center of our city.
Do you work at Greenville High School?
Yes. Why do you know that? I haven't introduced this.
I guess because my sister also works there and I graduated from this school.
That's great. I may know her. It is a coincidence.
Yes,
When did you graduate?
10 years ago.
Surprisingly.
And my company is quite near this school. Can I have a chance to pick you up and have lunch someday?
Of course, I'm willing to.
Do you have my phone number?
Yes, I have.
So if you have free time, you can text me anytime.
Five minutes of vocabulary. Settle down. Please repeat after me. Settle down. Settle down. To live a quiet life in one place.
All right, let's settle down. Everybody settle down.
Okay, boys and girls, settle down.
Okay, everybody settle down now. Quiz time, okay?
Yes, I want to settle down here, Chicago. I came back 1 week ago. I've planned to tell you next week when my job is to settle down here.
Manager. Please repeat after me. Manager. Manager. A person who is in charge of a group of people or a business.
What you need is a manager.
Your manager here needs a manager.
Because I am your new manager.
Okay, but who's project manager?
Yes, I'm currently working as a manager at K-Travel.
Customer. Please repeat after me. Customer. Customer. People who buy things or use the services of a company.
Do you think a store is only customers?
I'm not a customer. I'm Howie.
And the customer is always right.
Yeah, you're my first customer today.
Well, it depends on the number of customers.
Realize. Please repeat after me. Realize. Realize. To understand or become aware of something.
No. Do you realize what you've done?
Look, I'm sorry. I didn't realize that you had company.
Very near and dear to her, though she doesn't realize.
Oh my god, no long time no see. I didn't realize you.
Lawyer. Please repeat after me. Lawyer. Lawyer. A person who helps people with legal problems.
Atticus Finch is a good lawyer because he's a good person.
A lawyer's honesty or trustworthiness as a lawyer.
I need a lawyer.
Yes, we don't want to fight with you, with lawyers.
When I was a child, I also dreamed of being a lawyer.
Inform. Please repeat after me. Inform. Inform. To tell someone something.
Boys, inform on your classmates. Save your hide.
Please inform Her Majesty, the Dowager Empress.
Now, I must inform you, I have a severely deviated septum.
I'll call Alex and Alice to inform them that you came back.
7 minutes of speaking.
Excuse me? Yes? May I ask you what time it is? I forgot my phone at home. Yes, but are you Anna? Yes. Oh, Jenny. You're Jenny, right? Exactly, me. Jenny. Oh my god, no long time no see. I didn't realize you. I'm so happy to see you here. Why are you here? You went abroad for work. Why did you suddenly appear? When did you come back? Anna, I will answer all your questions. Yes, I'm just so happy. I came back 1 week ago. I've planned to tell you next week when my job is to settle down here. You mean you came back to work here? Seriously? Yes, seriously. Oh dear, surprisingly. I just changed the workplace. Now I'm a chef in JK Restaurant. It's near here. Do you know that? Of course. Sometimes we have meetings in this restaurant. Really? now have a chance to join our class meeting each year.
Yes, everyone said that they missed you so much. We haven't seen each other for a long time.
So now we can hang out anytime.
I'm so excited about it.
So where do you work now?
I'm a lawyer. I work in Block C in Lombard Street.
Wow, I'm so proud of my friend. How amazing you are. When I was a child, I also dreamed of being a lawyer.
Don't mention it.
I'll call Alex and Alice to inform them that you came back. I'm sure they're very happy.
Anna, how's it going?
Jack, long time no see.
I heard from Jenny that you've changed your job. Is it true?
Yes, I'll have the first day in the new company tomorrow morning.
Good. What do you do?
You may be surprised when I tell you. Marketing.
Marketing? I remember you haven't learned it before.
Right? I'm challenging myself in a new field. I'm feeling so excited to be doing what I love.
How do you feel about it?
I found it quite interesting. I learned a bit about it before, but just a little bit.
I'm happy when I hear you say that. That's very good when you can follow what you like.
Yes.
But why did you quit your previous job? Is it bad?
Not really. I don't know why, but I always felt tired when I worked. I didn't have any energy.
So it's not bad.
How boring it is.
Oh, I'm sure you suffered a lot of tiredness.
Yes, the new job is different. Although I have to learn everything, it's totally new to me. I'm still so excited.
Fortunately, you have found a job you love. It's never too late if you're passionate about something. Try your best.
Of course.
I will always be by your side and support you.
Thank you so much for supporting me.
You also supported me with every decision that I made.
I will try my best to reach my dream.
Three minutes of reviewing. Question 1. What do Anna and Jenny do when they meet each other? They talk about their childhood. B. They discuss their current jobs. C. They go shopping together. The correct answer is B. Question 2. Why does Anna ask Jenny about the time? She lost her watch. B. She was late for a meeting. C. She forgot her phone at home. The correct answer is C. Question 3. Where does Jenny work now? In a restaurant. B. In a hospital. C. In a law firm. The correct answer is A. Question 4. What does Jenny plan to do when she's back from working abroad? Visit her family. B. Find a new job. C. Attend class meetings and hang out with friends. The correct answer is C. Question 5. What new job does Anna have in the conversation with Jack? Lawyer. B. Marketing. C. Chef. The answer is B. Question 6. Why did Anna leave her previous job? It was too far from home. B. She always felt tired. C. She was not paid well. The correct answer is B.
Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time practicing English. Please comment what you want to practice in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English practice videos. Goodbye for now.